Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're gonna see how do we connect or disconnect with the Petra wallet. So in the last video, we saw a small tour of the Petra wallet here, a fresh wallet you can see. So we saw what's inside the wallet, the collectibles, activities, and setting sections, and different other things. So let's just see how do we connect to the Petra wallet into your web applications. That means the connection between your web applications and the Aptos blockchain through the Petra wallet. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to our code. Here, you can see I have chosen the Next framework as my front-end framework for the implementation. You can choose your favorite front-end framework, whatever you like. That might be React, Angular, or also the fresh JavaScript one. That's your choice. You can go as per your requirement. Okay, so after we install the Chrome extension, the Petra wallet here into our browser, now we can have something like this. We will have console.log window.aptos. So where does this come from? So that wallet you installed that injects this Aptos into our browser. So let's console and see what we are getting. Okay, let's inspect. Go to the console, and here we can see we are getting some function. Yeah, the account one, the connect function, disconnect function, event listener mapping is connected, network, and sign message like that. So now we will be using this connect function to connect to the Petra wallet. So how do we do that? Okay, I'm gonna create one button. Okay, so p button. It connect. Let's create one method. Okay, so connect name and of course await. Okay, let's store it inside a variable. Let's just write let wallet is equal to await. So you have to make the function asynchronous, and that's why we are using async. I hope you know these things. If not, you can just comment right down below in the comment, and I will show you what's. I'm gonna just explain why do we need that async and await thing. So await window dot aptos dot connect. Okay, sorry, that's a lot. Okay, that connect. So this is this. This is how we're gonna use it. Connect and console.log wallet. Okay, now just save, reloaded, and let's see what we are getting now. We will just clean it, and now let's click this connect button. Oh, sorry, that's my mistake. We didn't. That's something stupid. Okay, we didn't set the click event actually, so that button's gonna do anything. And let's just write connect. All right. Okay, I hope we are getting something now. So connect, and you can see here we got the address and the public key. So this is the address and this is our public key. Right. So got it. Okay, now I have added one more button here. You can see the connect and the disconnect one. All right, and corresponding to these functions, the method call, we have two functions. And now let's just connect and disconnect our wallet. Okay, so first of all we're gonna connect. So whenever you okay, so as you saw, the Petra wallet prompt is here asking you to approve this site. Do you want to approve this site to make changes to your wallet? So it's gonna ask you for your permission. You just have to approve it, and now we got the address and public key here. And now as we are connected, this connect button will directly show you the address and the public key. All right. So now it's time to disconnect here. So whenever now we click the disconnect thing, now it's disconnected. Actually, I didn't console any messages for disconnect. That's why it's not showing you, but it's there. Okay, to check that, we're gonna click the connect again. See, it's asking for the connection request again. That means it was disconnected by the disconnect button, right? Okay, so we can approve again. And so that's it. That's the thing between connect and disconnecting. Okay, there is one more thing you can do with this. Okay, suppose you want to detect, you have a website, and whenever the user visit to your site, you want to make sure if they have this Aptos wallet in their browser or not. So to check that, you can just write, before connecting, you can just write if window.aptos. It means if they have Aptos thing in their window, that's browser, right? So and then only you're gonna connect their wallet only if they have the browser, else we'll do something else. You can do whatever, you can throw the messages in this section or anything whatever you like. So I'm gonna just write this thing: install wallet first, or whatever you like, the your requirement. What's your requirement? So we can do something like this, and it won't affect at all because I have the Petra wallet. You can try this in another browser, right? Okay, so we just approved it, right? But let's just try in this Edge, because I don't have this wallet inside my tab here. So let's see. Okay, go to inspect console to see our messages. We try to connect, and it says install wallet first. So this is how you can make it a bit more responsive with the users. The user experience will be really good, because some users, they don't know that they need the Chrome extension or some other apps, and they just try to connect. So it's for those layman users to inform them about their wallet, their not connected thing, right? So that's it for today. uh, and in the next video we will learn how to sign messages. What is the sign message thing in the wallet? How do we log in using our Petra wallet? Okay, so that's it guys. Bye bye, that's it for today.